Okay, so we know there's a hole here, and we know that goes into that depth. So we know, well, I know, I want that to sit there like that, so I can take that away there. This can come away. I want my hole sort of pretty much at that point there, so I just need to determine the halfway point, look at drilling, boring, and then I've got enough meat on the back to be able to put some form of locking mechanism, friction device on the back. So I'm going to mark this out. I'm not sure whether I'm going to try and set it up on the lathe to do it, or whether I'm going to try and do it on the mill. So I'll get it all marked out. Once I've got it set up, I'll bring you back and show the machining. Okay, I've decided to set it up on the lathe on the forge jaw. So first thing to do is I did just put a little centre drill in there off camera, so we'll get some indication of where we are with it. Okay. Problem with this is there's nothing actually holding it in, so it's just be careful how much I back off and just work it so that I I'm happy with that for this. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay, so I'll sort some bits and bobs out, some drills and a bit of tooling, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've got some drill bits about. I'm going to drill it out a 1932. I really wanted about 15, well, I wanted 15 mil, 1932. Yeah, 1932 comes out at just over 15 mil. That leaves me just over a mil for cleaning up. If I could just find the drill bit that I got out, it would help. What am I doing with that? Oh, I don't think I got it in. Right. So we just go in. I've had to slow it down. I'm running at 370 RPM because I'm offset on the jaw. It causes it to vibrate. So I've just slowed it down. We'll see. Considering that, I'm actually going to go in with a slightly smaller drill. I've got just a 14. It's a 14.25, but I'd sooner have a little bit of extra in there that I can take out with a boring bar than just in case it wanders off. Let me just drop that down to 260. Okay, so I just need now I'll get set up with a boring bar and then I'll bring you back in. Okay, I'm shooting for around about 1607 on this bore, so I've put it back up to about 370 RPM. Just slide you back a bit. It's not a great finish in there, really. I'm going to see if I can find a different bar. It's a bit, probably just do with something with a nice radius. Okay, so I've swapped out for a well, it's actually a boring bar I made many years ago, but it's got a nice little high-speed tool in there with a lovely sharp edge on it, and I've done a test cut off camera to save wasting any more time, and it's a beautiful finish in there. So I'm out to 14.88 at the moment. I'm aiming for 1607. So I've got 1.19 to come out. So if I set the dial down here for 1.19, and then we'll bring it in. I'm just going to take that 0.2 out just to get a feel for it. You can see that. That is a beautiful little cut in there now. Ideally, I should be running it a bit faster, but I can't. Just mark on there. No, it's just a fair way in. Okay. I'll just blow that out. I'll take another measurement. Okay. So it's 15. 15 what I'm going to do now is I'll take a couple of bigger cuts and then I'll bring you back in once we're a bit further on.